running my British trains that I got from England, including this Minitrainz locomotive. These N-scale locomotives don't have horns. They're too small. It's a Minitrainz locomotive that I believe it was built in Germany. We're just running trains. We're gonna have a switching operation. There's the cars. Here's the engine. For my control, I'm using a rail power 1300. Good. I'm gonna check the couplers. Here we go, it comes out of a yard. Needs more power. Sometimes it gets stuck. Oh, look what happened. Oh no. We're gonna get the engine moving. There we go, we got it rolling. Those cars, except the red one in the back, all those cars I have are British. They sell the red box cars actually from the Botchman Thomas and Friends narrow gauge line. I plan on getting more eventually. Those two slate cars with the slate, they're actually from the United States. They were made somewhere else, but they're based off British designs, and they sell them here in the US with the narrow gauge engines over there. This is my locomotive. I don't run all freight cars because they can derail. Over is my green engine, my chassis engine that doesn't work, but I'm gonna get more engines eventually. The Scarlet Renaissance, the green engine, the green coaches. I have a zipper coach too. It's from the Linton and Barnstable Railway. I don't have an engine yet, but I plan on getting one eventually. That's my least priority right now. It's cool to watch these little trains go. I like collecting trains from different countries. It's pretty cool. Why don't we run the green engine next? We're just backing up the N-scale train. There we go. Here's the switch. That was a switching operation. I'm gonna run the green engine in the next episode. Part 2 will be here soon.